Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the wonderful world of Shatavari, also known as Asparagus racemosus. This powerful herb has been a cornerstone of Ayurveda for centuries, and today, I'm unlocking its secrets just for you. Ready to explore? Let's go. So, what exactly is Shatavari? Shatavari is a climbing plant with tuberous roots, commonly found in India and other tropical regions. It's often called the queen of herbs because of its amazing rejuvenating properties, especially when it comes to women's health. Now let's talk benefits. Shatavari is a true powerhouse. First up, it supports female health. It helps regulate hormones, improves fertility, and can ease those pesky menopause symptoms. But that's not all. It also boosts immunity thanks to its rich antioxidant content, protecting you against infections. If digestion is your concern, Shatavari has got you covered. It helps with acidity, ulcers, and overall gut health. And if you're feeling stressed or anxious, this herb acts as an adaptogen, helping to balance your stress levels. Imagine one herb doing all that. Alright, how can you use this wonder herb? Here are some easy ways to incorporate Shatavari into your daily routine. Shatavari powder. Just mix 1 teaspoon with warm milk or water and drink it daily. It's that simple. Shatavari capsules. These are super convenient. Just take them as per the recommended dosage on the packaging. Shatavari tea. For a soothing drink, boil dried Shatavari roots in water and enjoy it as herbal tea. And there you have it. Shatavari is truly a gift from nature. Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, my friends.